Now the individual looked really happy, but what about that couple? Do you remember the old couple walking into your store and they look so in love with each other? For some people, they might even look so in love with each other that it makes you feel a little sick. But considering you're working with jewelry, when you see people that look like they are really in love, it should make you really, really happy. And seeing a couple that is looking so in love with each other as well. When is the last time that you told a couple that walked into your store that, oh my gosh, you just look so in love? What is the secret? How long have you been married? Because you have to tell me, how do you do this? Now that is going to make that couple feel special. Trust me, this does not happen often. People do not normally give out compliments because they're worried about how a person is then going to react. But genuinely, if you feel that there and you don't even take 5 seconds, and this 5 seconds of you opening that sale as well, regardless of if that person does not buy from you that day, they are going to remember you so much more than every other salesperson that they've ever met. Because they've received something that made them feel amazing from a stranger that was truly genuine. So the next time you see a happy couple walk in, whether it's a gay couple, a lesbian couple, it does not matter. It does not matter whatsoever. If that couple looks really happy together, it is your requirement to tell them that they look extremely happy. And ask them, why? How do you look so happy? Are you married? Are you not married? What is the secret? Please tell me. I'm not married yet at the moment, but I want to be able to look like how you two look when I get to 20 years of being together with my girlfriend that I'm then going to, etc. Go along down that story as well. If you feel that way with a couple though as well, but make sure to do that. Let the couple know that they just look amazing and they look extremely happy. They are going to feel more open to then be able to speak to you, and it's best if you get them then together. Because we know the classic look, where normally there is one person in the couple that is a little bit more actively looking around the store, where the other one then might just stand somewhere or take a seat somewhere or be like, oh, I'm gonna wait for you outside, honey. You want to be able to avoid that happening then as well. Approach the couple together when they walk into the store.